hope you are well and blessed and ready to strut into success. Let's go!
I know the time does not stand still. Can see the world when it's spinning, spinning. Compensating for the moments that I spilled. Wish I could fly like an airplane, airplane. Stop forsaking everything that I've done. Won't be breaking easily now. I could make it even though the lights are out. So I wait for my cue.
Hey girl, hey, it's your girl Sierra Janae, and this is Sierra Janae, Modeling Pro. Hello gorgeous people, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you a behind the scenes photo shoot that I did back in 2018, basically showing you guys what it looks like to walk on a photo shoot set, how the setup is, hair and makeup, and everything. Sometimes you have to do your own hair and makeup, which I did for this photo shoot. And I also picked out my own clothing. So let's stay tuned and let's roll it. What to bring when going to a photo shoot. So always bring with you a little bag with your hairbrush, comb, and a little makeup, because sometimes the hair and makeup artist can't get to you. You might be the last person or the first person, so just always stay prepared by bringing your own hair supplies and makeup. The location may be far or maybe in your area. It could be outside or indoors. This particular location was in Dallas at a church, basically in one of the rooms upstairs, set up for the photo shoot. Basically, how to prepare for a photo shoot. You just practice in the mirror, and also just practice bringing out your personality. Personality will shine for your photo each and every time. So when you go to the modeling agencies or the casting calls, the client can see how photogenic you are and just being yourself. And that's the key to going to a photo shoot and rocking it out. And also to expect, not all photo shoots are paid. So this one was not a paid photo shoot, unfortunately for me, but it was like a freelance photo shoot where the photographer get free advertisement, I get free advertisement, no one is getting paid in this sense. But other than that, we're both getting exposure. So look out for those type of things as well. But other than that, I had a great time and he did as well. And also, the modeling industry does have its ups and downs, but other than that, don't get discouraged. I haven't let anything get me discouraged. I have been down, but I'm continuing to push it, and that's why I'm creating this channel to show young aspiring models that they can still do it. So continue to do your dream. And I just want to encourage you, if you have a passion for modeling or fashion or photography, keep going. Don't let those bumpy roads discourage you. Don't let those closed doors discourage you, sis. You can keep going. You can keep doing your dreams. I have to say, there's no age limit to me if it was up to me, because one day I want to own my own modeling agency, and all ages can audition. So that's my future, y'all. That's what I want to do. And that's what I'm doing on my channel, to create content so you can be inspired by me, Sierra Janae Modeling Pro, to see how my lifestyle is as a model. Not only that, I'm showing you my personal life and everything else. So I hope you guys stick with me and enjoy the rest of this video.
So we're gonna take one swing. So I want straight again.
As well. You know, and all ages enjoy the rest of this video I'm doing on this channel. And also take a look, look at what you know. It's getting paid in this sense. And there you have it. I hope you guys have enjoyed seeing a behind the scenes look of my photo shoot. And also, I want to give a big shout out to Marcus Perriman, the photographer, for making those photo shoots happen for me. And also, if you like seeing more videos like these, give me a big thumbs up, and also leave a comment down below of what was your favorite part of this photo shoot. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys. As always, I want to leave you guys here with some motivational, inspirational quotes. And the quote of the day is, strike a pose, and the more natural it is, the better it is. So it's best when you're taking a photo shoot to be natural, also to have fun, be yourself, get more comfortable, especially practicing in the mirror, sis. That's what's going to get it on those photo shoots. So to get yourself to shine through, practice, practice, practice makes perfect. Especially for an upcoming model, aspiring model, practice in the mirror and get those poses down. Even look at, different videos, look at my videos, and also take a look, take those pictures and look at what you messed up on, maybe what you can do better on. So just practice, practice, practice makes perfect. When you get to the photo shoot, you're all set and ready. So I hope you guys stay encouraged. And if you like what you see, come and join CJMP, the Sierra Janae Modeling Pro. And don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys next time. Bye.